एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाईटेक बिलसॉफ्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन और अपडेट्स सबसे पहले मिले। चलो, आपने अपना ऑनलाइन स्टोर तो सेटअप कर लिया, बट कस्टमर्स ऑर्डर प्लेस करने के बाद पेमेंट कैसे करेंगे? Where and how to add the payment options? If that's what you're thinking, this video is for you. In your online store, you can add the payment options for the customers so they can easily pay for the online orders without any hassle. And it becomes super easy for you to get faster payments. For directly receiving payments via online store or website, follow the given steps. Step 1. Head over to your Hitech Billsoft online store settings. Step 2. Click on Live Settings and then select Payment Gateway Settings. Step 3. Now authorize by adding API keys and other details. After that, just click Sync option. That's it. Now you can see the payment options available in your online store as well. This helps in improving customer satisfaction. तो अब आप भी रेडी हो जाओ प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स के लिए. And if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Like this video, share it with other business owners, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips.